Hello guys, we'll play Teardown and we're in a library with new tools. Okay, outside
It is raining, no?
yeah, raining. You hear that? Yeah.
Definitely raining, no? Oops.
I have super strength.
Really?
Don't mind it, look. Woo! Woo! Yeah! Yeah! I'm already destroying the place.
So,
What's it?
what we can do in that library, yeah? In this library, yeah? To read books? I mean, to destroy books, huh?
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm just making a hole.
making
Okay.
two.
What new things I have? Right, a crucifix?
Okay, show me what you can do, huh?
Bro,
With
I
that,
can do
huh?
nothing.
You can do nothing. How? How is that? How is that not working, huh?
Bro.
Oh, big failure.
Bro. What else? Coca-Cola.
What you wanted to drink?
Oh,
What it
slow-mo.
gives, huh? Slow-mo?
Yeah,
Is it good or bad, huh?
good.
Okay.
What we have? Hammer. Yes, that's it. Oh,
Kind of cool, huh?
wait. I can charge it up. Woo! And yeah, look at that destruction. Whoa!
Oh.
Start the car. Yeah, that was cool. Okay, different thing. And snow. Okay. Wait, what was that? What was that? I can use handgun. Oopsie.
Wow.
There.
Yeah.
Put out the fire.
Put out the fire. It will spread, huh? Very quickly.
No, I
No?
put it out. Wee! I'm going up here. Woo! Oopsie. Bro, I was scared. I thought what was happening.
Yeah.
But I just took.
We don't need lamps, huh?
But I just took.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm gonna just take this painting.
It is villager? Oh, what?
Doctor.
Doctor.
We don't read books. Maybe we should
What?
put a liquefy.
In slow-mo.
Slow motion.
Slow motion.
Oh, look at this. I shouldn't do that. That will lag my game. Ice gun? Maybe. I can just make ice. I'm just freezing the whole place. Oh, these are icicles.
How big is that library? Yeah?
What?
How big is this place?
It's pretty big.
Yeah. What is on the roof? Huh? I wonder. Can we check?
Oh.
It is heavily raining, huh? Like we said.
I'm not going out there. You know.
Outside this.
Yeah. I just shot out them. Look at the bloom. Shadows.
Shadows on the wall.
Super. explosive. Fine. Wow. I need to destroy the ice cream. You know? Put a hole in the... So what now?
What now? What else we can do here?
The things are swinging, you know, lamps.
Yeah.
Something was... Oh. Put out the fire. I think I'm spreading it. Put that on. Bro.
What is down there?
What's happening?
What's happening? I hear the burning. Oh, raining. It is
Burning.
burning. Where?
Under us.
We are burning, The building is burning, but we don't know where. You done something,
Yeah.
And now we are on fire. What to do? Okay. Where is that fire?
I don't know. It's down there.
Down there. Really?
Well, I'm not
No,
going down.
somewhere else it is burning. Look, look, what have you done?
Wow. I didn't notice it. It stopped
Still
spreading.
on fire, still on fire.
Ah!
Oh my god, A little fire. Still, are we good now?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're good, We are
Why?
safe, No, The computer was suffering a little bit.
Yeah.
Our computer is suffering.
I just picked this on. There's no lights. Well, I can just detach. Look.
Yeah.
I have the
light.
lights now.
You have the light now. Light up the rooms,
That's the outside. This is like a horror game now. Dropped it. My little light. But what? We have destroyed this place. I can say,
We didn't destroy all the place. No,
burn the books. Knowledge is for nothing. We don't need knowledge.
We need knowledge, but not now.
It's
Not now.
summer break.
Yeah, it's summer break.
So we don't need knowledge. Just burn all the books. It's summer break, so burn the knowledge. Wait, I have a better tool. Flamer. Go up in flames. Not the ground. Not the ground. We need to control this fire a little bit.
Yeah.
Whoa. Okay, enough. I think we need a firefighter. Put this place out. Okay. Hey. Okay, we're good.
Yeah, we're good.
Okay. This whole freaking bookshelf is gone.
Maybe go somewhere else.
Like where?
Can we break through this building?
Yeah. No. Look,
Okay.
it's raining.
What is on the ground for?
What?
What is on the ground for?
There's a parking lot.
Boring.
Yeah. So I'm gonna just. What should I do? Should I burn the whole place down?
Will it lag you?
No.
Your game?
No, it won't. Like, I think you guys don't hear my computer.
You know the rules, and so do I. Say goodbye.
I can. But I can breathe.
Too much smoke.
Okay, I've put it out. Put it out. Put it out. Put it out.
What? It is wasn't bad idea.
Not really. Just too much. We already burned this off. Oh, look at it. It looks like a cat was here. Look at the scratch marks. Burn marks. And there's the boring part downstairs. My computer is not overheating. It's actually chilling down. Okay. So we can destroy this again. What's the most destructive thing? Maybe that's what. Kamehameha, right? Right? Should I fire this?
Yes.
We blasted the whole hole. Little hammer blast. And that is the downstairs. Boring part.
Can you punch? Try to punch.
I can, with my Titan guns,
Yeah.
I can just rip doors off. This is pretty cool. This is satisfying.
Yeah.
For you guys, I think it's yeah too. I mean, I would say this is satisfying. I can do this all day, but I'm not because I'm recording.
You just grabbed the lamp, huh?
Yeah, bro.
What you will do?
Yeah.
Oh.
I just throw the lamp out. Okay, oh, exit sign. Some ice? Satisfying. Look. Look how satisfying it is.
Yeah. The sound.
Yeah. I need more ice. This is kind of satisfying. There was the options. Ice grove.
Why it is trembling, huh? The view is trembling, huh? What you are doing now?
Well, I'm changing the things.
Oh.
Small, medium, large. Look at that.
So big. Wow.
It's iced up. Look.
I
Satisfying. Look at this, look.
You can freeze the whole place, huh?
Yeah, and I can, then I guess it. Wait, if I burn the ice.
Try.
Wait.
Will it burn, huh? We're testing the possibilities.
The wood It's burning.
The wood is burning, but the ice is burning. Kinda.
What the? Look.
It's,
Ah,
it's melting.
It's lagging.
It's lagging?
Yeah, a little.
Too much things happening.
Look,
huh?
but. Oh.
It is satisfying. This thing.
Ah!
What? It
Too much lag.
too much. Too much things going on, huh?
Bro, maybe it's a. Maybe that's enough for today. My
Yeah.
computer is pretty fun now, so